Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert a PDF document into Microsoft Excel document. Let me open my PDF document with Google Chrome. You can see I have some tables over here and I want to copy these tables into Microsoft Excel. What most of the people do, they just copy the data like this and then go to Excel and paste it over there, and you can see Excel has done a pretty bad job in representing a beautiful table into some jumbled lines which we cannot make any sense out of it. So let me press Ctrl Z to undo. So here is the way to do it. Go to data, get data from file, and here you can see we have the option from PDF. Go to PDF and this is the data. Click on import. And here we go, you can see we have been given all the tables which we can easily import into our Excel. Let me choose this table 4 and click on load. And here we go. You can see how beautifully Excel has imported this data. One more method that I would like to show you is just open your PDF Excel data in Chrome browser and then copy the URL. Then go to Excel, again go to data, click on get data, and then go to from other sources, and here you can see from web. Click over it. Now you can paste that URL that you have copied from Chrome. Click on OK. And here we go. Again, you can see we have been given all those tables which we can load as per our requirement. Click and we are done. I hope you might have found this tutorial useful. Please leave a like. Thanks for watching.